हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून, नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है आरजे राज। आप देख रहे हैं 1296th एपिसोड ऑफ नागपुर मोस्ट हैपनिंग फेसबुक लाइव शो, जिसका नाम है राज की बात, विमेन ऑफ द ईयर के साथ। थैंक यू पारिक ब्रदर्स ज्वेलर्स। पारिक ब्रदर्स ज्वेलर्स प्रेजेंट्स राज की बात इन एसोसिएशन विद पहनावा बुटीक। अ बिग थैंक यू टू अंतरा मल्टी सर्विसेज, कट सलोन, मैम्पी रियूजेबल डायपर्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन। ऑल्सो अ बिग थैंक यू टू हेम्पर राइड बाय निधि राठी। चलिए आज और मनी एड्स का भी धन्यवाद। हमारी आज की मेहमान जो है वो एक यंग बडिंग आर्टिस्ट है, स्थापित आर्टिस्ट है। इन्होंने अपनी फैशन डिजाइनिंग का डिग्री कोर्स किया है और अब नागपुर में अपने आर्टिस्टिक इन्फ्यूजन को या आर्टिस्टिक थॉट्स को आगे ले जाने की सोच रखती हैं। हमारी आज की विमेन ऑफ द ईयर इज नन अदर देन Miss Aishwarya Jain. Hi Aishwarya.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing very good.
So अगर ऐश्वर्या की कहानी हम ऐश्वर्या की जुबानी सुने तो क्या होगी कहानी ऐश्वर्या की?
तो मेरी कहानी ऐसी है कि मैंने अपनी पढ़ाई NIFT मुंबई में कंप्लीट।
उसके पहले भी आपने पढ़ाई की? उसके पहले भी आपकी एक कहानी है?
हाँ, मैंने I have been born and brought up in Nagpur.
Proud Nagpurian?
Very proud Nagpur.
Super.
And super happy to be in the city. And so I've studied in business and bachelor's in business management from Ramdev Baba College of Engineering and Management, and then I completed my master's from NIFT Mumbai, and over there I was very happy choosing a career line, doing what I always wanted to do, and after that I came back. During the COVID, I came back in the city and I was figuring out what to do with the life next, because as you all know, COVID was very stressful for all of us.
Yes, it was.
It was. So I started with my art. I started with paintings, and I realized that I can sit for hours and hours and do it, like straight 8 hours a day, and I can do it. So I thought, why not opt for a career that is my passion also, and a thing that I will never get tired of. So
तो आप बचपन से पेंटिंग करती थी? बचपन से ड्राइंग करने का शौक और ये सब था?
हमेशा से था, बट कभी समझा नहीं कि इसमें करियर कैसे बनता है।
तो इसमें करियर कैसे बनता है?
तो what I do basically is like residential projects and commercial projects I do. Art is everywhere. Now that I am into art, I realize it is everywhere, in every corner, wherever you see. So I connect with the interior designers and architects, work with them, design, make the painting, design ideas, and customize it as per what is required for a particular house.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि जो नए बडिंग आर्टिस्ट है, क्या उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, क्या उनको मौका मिलता है?
जी, तो as the city Nagpur is very friendly and it's my hometown, so it's a very good opportunity for me here. Like, of course, when I started it was 2.5 years back that I started it, so it was difficult that you're new, why should we trust you? But fortunately I was fortunate enough to find people that trusted me and my skills. Of course, in the starting I did not work for money. I just wanted to increase my portfolio and I worked for that. But right now I'm at a stage that people are actually loving my work and appreciating it. And yes, like India is full of youth, so of course we have a huge opportunity.
It's been it's been seen that you also participate into exhibitions and all. वो किस किस्म का experience मिलता है?
So exhibitions are always best way to market yourselves, and people come, they see my products live, they see my work, so of course the trust developed is much more.
आर्टिस्ट को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते लोग, उनके काम को लेकर, उनके काम की वैल्यू को लेकर थोड़ा सा सेप्टिकल होते हैं थोड़े से। तो आपके काम को लेकर लोग भावताव करते हैं?
भावताव कौन सी चीज में नहीं करते?
और जब भावताव करते हैं तब ऐश्वर्या को कैसा लगता है?
तब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक बार समझिए, हम आपके लिए एक प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं, आपके कस्टमाइजेशंस के हिसाब से, एंड हम अपना 100% देते हैं. एंड आर्ट इज अ प्रोडक्ट जो सिर्फ आया और गया नहीं है. अगर वो आपके रेसिडेंस में लग रहा है फॉर 10 years, आई एम श्योर एंड आई गारंटी देयर इज नथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन टू द वर्क. एंड आर्ट ऑलवेज ब्राइटन्स अप योर स्पेस. It highlights the space. So why to not pay for art?
But then tell me a situation when it actually happened, where people came up to you and they said that इतने में दे दूँ ना.
It always happens. There is no particular situation, I would say. It is happening all the time and I'm facing it. But once it's prepared, it's done, people say that art में लगता ही क्या है, या फिर आपका why do you charge so much? There's no material cost or something. But I'm even doing a business. It's not for a social cause.
Absolutely.
So I have my labors, I have my electrics to pay, I have the materials that are used in arts to pay. So of course there is a cost, and of course art की कोई MRP वैल्यू नहीं होती है, बट एक आर्टिस्ट की तो होती है ना.
बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल. जब आप वापस आई मुंबई से और फैशन डिजाइनिंग का इतनी बड़ी डिग्री लेकर आई, क्या कभी ऐसा लगा कि एक फैशन स्टूडियो, एक फैशन लेबल अपने नाम का शुरू करूं? क्योंकि एक क्रिएटिव साइड तो वहां भी आप दिखा सकती थी ना.
जब मैं यहाँ वापस आई तो मैंने काफी सोचा कि फैशन मार्केट इज वेरी एग्जॉस्टिंग, because I studied into it, I had done internships over there. It's too exhausted, and when I saw the art field, I saw much more opportunities in it. Ki there are a lot of youngsters and a lot of people, no offense, but in every second or third house there's a boutique. But for the art it's not like that. It's a niche. So I thought, why not do it with it? And even when we talk about starting up a boutique, so yes, I even do fabric paintings. So my fashion side is also uplifted with that.
So जब आपने फैशन को नहीं चुना, how did your mother react? Because your mother have also stood by you. I've seen a lot of exhibitions where your mother has also been with you. What was her thought about it?
She's always been the most supportive support system of my life. So even when I chose, I studied in fashion and I did not choose fashion, she was still there. She was like, do what you love. You have got an immense potential, and whatever you do, just do it with your heart. Put your all efforts in it, then we'll see whatever happens.
अब वो पढ़ाई भी हो गई. अब आई एम श्योर आपके एक कमिंग फ्रॉम अ फैमिली वेयर लड़कियों की शादियां भी होने की जैसी उम्र हो जाती है तो परिवार चिंतित होता है. आपको लेकर कितना चिंतित है जैन परिवार?
बहुत चिंतित नहीं है. आई वुड से they've always been supportive. Like coming from a Marwadi Jain family, it is difficult, but with time even they are ready to accept the changes that younger generations are getting, and they've been very supportive. I told them, please wait for a certain period of time. I need that time. I need to build my own identity, and after that, so they've been quite supportive with that as well.
You also joined BNI.
Yes.
Why did you join BNI, and who was that person who introduced you to BNI Nagpur?
So BNI, I got introduced by Dr. Dipali Mandhana. She's my neighbor. So once, I just shared my work with her, and at that time when I started, I did not know how to do business with this. So she just told me join BNI, see how it works. And at a very early stage, 3 months, I started my business and I joined BNI. The 4th month, I was so new. I was 22 years old, and so when I joined the group, the people over there were so helpful, and they promoted me. They even when I did mistakes, they were always there to support me. The interior designers in the group, the architects over there, they showed their trust, and through that I could build up my portfolio, and through that I could understand that how business works.
So have you worked with any designer or architect? Have you which? Can you
I-
name a few?
Yeah, I work with architect Asad Firdausi. I work with Pratna Nagia. I work with Monita Patel. I have worked with Rakesh Nagpal, Gunjan Lohia,
Wow,
Prasad Pofli,
one of the biggest names in
Rashmi
the
Neelawar,
Mhm.
and the list is endless.
one of the biggest names in Nagpur.
Yes.
So what's the aspiration? What is that one thing which wakes you up every morning?
So my business, my baby,
Mhm.
I would say, it always inspires. Every day I grow, I wake up, I feel what next, what next, what new. So I had this interview with you today.
Mhm.
So I was of course a little nervous that oh, this is my first
Ever?
ever,
Mhm.
and I am preparing for a lot of more.
Okay.
So I'm looking there.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then ऐश्वर्या, जैसे एक आर्टिस्ट का जो करियर होता है, जो काम होता है, उसके अंदर में स्पेशली जो आपकी स्पेशलाइजेशन है वो वॉल पेंटिंग है. अब क्या यू आर ऑल्सो ओपन फॉर रिटेल? आर यू ऑल्सो ओपन वेयर पीपल कम बाय some stuff from you and then put it on their home walls or office walls? Are you open
So
for that
I
also?
am working towards that right now.
Mhm.
Next line, I want to build Wall Souls as a brand, not just not just an artist doing work. I want to build up a team
Mhm.
of people working with me.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of artists, not just Aishwarya Jain is there.
Mhm.
I have a team and they are working towards it.
Mhm.
So I am in the process of into the retail works as well, getting the products ready and ready to purchase.
Mhm.
But of course, all of these things are going to take a little longer. But yeah, we are
उसका
working.
नाम आपने वॉल सोल्स क्यों रखा?
Wall Souls. Soul is जान. तो हम आपकी दीवारों में जान डालते हैं.
क्या बात है. आपकी दीवारों में भले कितनी भी दीवारों में कितनी भी दरारें आए, लेकिन हम आपकी दीवारों में जान इसलिए डालते हैं क्योंकि हमारी पेंटिंग वहाँ लगी रहती है ना. अच्छा, अब आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं? ठीक है, वॉल सोल को आगे ले जाना चाहती हैं, लेकिन फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऐसा कुछ हुआ जिससे आपका विवाह किसी और शहर में हो गया, फिर क्या करेंगे?
देखिए, ये ऐसा मैंने सब कुछ सोच everything I have thought about and then started with my business.
Okay.
Because I never want to leave what I'm doing.
Mm-hmm.
I know I'll get married in Nagpur itself, but if it happens, if I have to leave the city, I have all the plans ready. Because I'm not going to stop working, and this is a product. It's not a perishable product, right?
Right.
So I can always do the couriers, the transportations, even from Nagpur. I am giving away my products in Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai. I'm sending it there.
Mm-hmm.
So if I have to shift out of Nagpur also, I can send it to.
How is Instagram helping you? Is the technology, is social media helping you by any way?
A lot of ways. So Instagram is my portfolio, I can say. You go to my page and everything that I've done or I am doing or the processes that are kept, it's on the loop, it's on the stories, it's on the reels. You can see my products and of course I've even got orders from Instagram. I've not even paid a penny for marketing on Instagram ads yet, but still it's been a very helpful platform for me.
And you have a problem with Facebook. What's your problem with Facebook?
There's no problem with Facebook.
You don't like Mark Zuckerberg?
No, it's nothing like Instagram is also,
Yeah, it's owned by him, but then, but still, what's the problem with
Instagram is
Facebook?
easier to handle.
Mm-hmm.
That is why, I guess. And Facebook has been hacked and all of those things.
Oh my God. And you're doing a Facebook live show right now.
Oh God. Don't get me caught there.
अच्छा, अब चूंकि वॉल सोल्स और लाइफ पूरा प्रिपेयर्ड है, क्या आगे जाके हम वॉल सोल का कोई स्टोर वगैरह देखेंगे? क्या आगे जाके कुछ ऐसा भी होगा?
I have a workshop right now in Suryanagar, Nagpur. So it's a workshop. We just work over there. It's nothing fancy, but yes, in some time when I go to retail, I will of course want to set up a small store, starting up with a small store for offline journey as well.
एक अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी गई उस किताब के सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा गया ऐश्वर्या जैन, उसके नीचे कौन सी ऐसी लाइन, कौन सा ऐसा कोट, कौन सा ऐसा थॉट, कौन सा ऐसा पर्सपेक्टिव लिखा रहना चाहिए जिससे लोग जब भी वो पढ़ें तो वो ऐश्वर्या को याद करें?
This is a tough one. I have not thought about.
ये आउट ऑफ सिलेबस आ गया नहीं?
Exactly.
But what's your quote of your life? Is there a quote of life?
Yeah, I mean.
There might be many.
Yes, I mean there are so many. They are changing all the time.
So this can be a quote. You can make a new quote of yourself. Quotes keep changing. Yeah? You don't change.
True. That's it.
That's good. Super. ऐश्वर्या, आपसे मुलाकात हुई, बात हुई, आपने हमें वॉल सोल्स के बारे में, अपने काम के बारे में, अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बहुत कुछ बताया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
Super. Aishwarya Jain, our Women of the Year today, was, it is very clear, it's very sorted with what she wants in life, what she wants to do in life, what she expects from life, and what she expects from family. है ना, एक इंटरव्यू के माध्यम से कई बार लोग अपने परिवार को भी बता देते हैं कि उनको क्या करना है, जिसमें से एक बात यह है कि ऐश्वर्या कहीं नहीं जानी, ऐश्वर्या नागपुर में ही रहनेगी और वॉल सोल्स पे उनका पूरा का पूरा फोकस रहेगा. अगर आप अपने घर की दीवारों को देखते हैं और कई बार ये सोचते हैं कि इस पर क्या ऐसी खूबसूरत चीज मैं लगा सकता हूँ, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपने ना एक बार ऐश्वर्या जैन का काम देखना चाहिए. यू शुड विजिट हर workshop which is at Suryanagar. You can always get in touch with me and ask for a number. I'll definitely help you with that. And you should get in touch with Aishwarya, see her work, and then buy a painting from her and put it on the wall, because वो आपके वॉल को तो डेफिनेटली, वॉल की जो सोल है उसको तो खुश करेगा ही, लेकिन सुबह उठकर जब आप किसी तनावपूर्ण दिन में भी अगर आप अपनी दीवारों को देखें और उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीज बनी हो जो आपको प्रोत्साहित करे, इससे अच्छी बात और क्या हो सकती है. उम्मीद है कि आप इस इंटरव्यू को शेयर करेंगे और उन तक पहुंचाएंगे जो आर्ट को समझते हैं और आर्टिस्ट को भी. आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं. और अगर आपके परिवार में एक बेटी है जो जानती है कि उसको जिंदगी में क्या करना है और वो अपनी जिंदगी को बदलना चाहती है लेकिन खुद को नहीं, तो समझिए वो ऐश्वर्या जैन बन रही है. जिंदा रहें. जय हिंद.